Do you have an answer to what I asked you the last time?
No, Your Majesty. I've still not been able to come up with a suitable answer. I'm sorry.
A 25-year-old woman is no longer a child. My son needs a male child. And I would like you to have that child for him.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I can't betray my mistress.
I have not asked you to betray your mistress. I will send you to any country of your choice to have the child. In addition, you would have a monthly allowance of 2 million naira to yourself.
Your Majesty, if I do this, my mistress will be hurt.
She has conscience. The legacy of the royal household is more important than your mistress. It is better that she is hurt than for the royal family not to have an heir to the throne.
My king, this is a difficult one.
All right. I will double the amount. Think about your poor mother. All you can do for her.
Your Majesty, I'm scared.
I will give you time to go and think about this. Come back to me in 3 hours with an answer.
Your Majesty. This temptation is a huge one.
Which temptation is too huge for you? You know, since Ola disappeared from this palace, I see you as a potential queen of this land.
Chuma! Since when did you start talking like other illiterate servants?
I'm sorry. So let us go back to the issue you were talking about.
Mind your business.
What if the king wants to make you his wife?
Chuma! Can you just stop it already? What if someone hears you?
I will stop. But think about it. I have eyes.
Oh, please.
So annoying. Ego, think. Like, Ego, you. My lady. I'll soon be done. Go and clean up that. Yes, ma. She has suffered enough already. How will she feel if I do this to her? My lady, sorry, ma, sorry.
You kept me waiting.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Did you come with the answer?
Yes, Your Majesty. I finally made up my mind not to betray the woman that has supported me in so many ways. A woman who stood by me from my infant days, as though I was her own. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I can't bring myself to betraying her.
Get out.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come back here.
Your Majesty.
What if I make you my wife?
What? Your Majesty! I can't breathe.
Calm down.
This is too much for me, Your Majesty.
Calm down.
Yes.
Consider all the benefits that will accrue to you as the queen of this land.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I can't. I'm sorry.
Why not?
I'm just not ready. Yes,
Go. Let no other ear hear this.
Yes, Your Majesty. I'll tell no one about it.
It's written. Kingship is a divine appointment. You can never turn down the will of God.
So, how is your father?
He's well. He sent his regards.
Oh, great. But do you know your father has not visited me in 3 years?
You don't mean it. But you should know my father. He's always busy.
Oh, come on, don't speak for your father. Don't be as cunning as your father.
My father? No.
Good day, Your Highness.
Ah, good day.
Good day.
Come and meet Belly. Belly has been Obinna's childhood friend.
Good day. You're welcome.
Well, she was about leaving. Okay.
You're my own now.
Okay. Belly, you must tell your father I miss his smiles.
Wow.
Belly.
Come here,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You look good.
Thank you. You must drop me to my house.
Of course I will. You think I object to that? Come on, let's go. That's nice. Good to see you.
I can't wait to see them happy.
It's alright.
Are you planning on getting my husband another wife?
Your husband, my son, needs a male child. This royal household needs an heir to the throne. I cannot sit and watch my enemies take this throne.
This is not fair. It is not fair at all. This is not fair. It is not fair at all. This is not fair.
Whatever that has to do with life, whatever that can take or give life, be careful.
Do you want an heir?
You do not have anything to do with the living.
I cannot rest.
I command you in the name of the spirit of my forefathers. Go back to the land of the dead.
Princess.
The king wants to get him another wife.
You have to pray and talk to God concerning this.
I am so heartbroken.
I understand. I know you are my princess. But you have to take it easy on yourself regardless. I'll be here for you.
Why would God allow this to happen to me?
My princess! Do not speak against God in your anger. God can fix this at His own time, which of course is the best.
What a beautiful world. Woo! Love is so beautiful.
Where are you coming back from?
So sweet. I've never had this kind of fun in a long while.
So you went out with that woman?
I went out with a friend.
Obinna, you don't look at me in the face and lie to me. Your father is planning on getting you a second wife.
Oh, Ada, come on, stop it. Don't be silly, okay? I do what I like. I do what makes me happy now. I don't want anybody to waste my time with on serious life.
My princess, please stop.
Oh, this hurts.
Sorry, my prince.
What did you just do?
Sorry, my prince.
You slapped me. Oh, I am going to make you regret this.
Sorry, my prince.
You are going to regret this.
My prince, please. My prince. Baby, please, I'm sorry.
princess, my princess. Let his anger subside. He will come around. I'm very sure of that. Please.
Please, I'm sorry.
Here. Your destiny is in your own hands. You can choose to use it wisely. Or it might never come back to you again in your lifetime. Take this.
Respect, because it is so separate. Whatever that has to do with life, whatever that can take or give life, be careful, handle with respect, because it is so separate. Cautious and careful in life to avoid regrets and living in grief. Be faithful to your cause and your subjects. Always be genuine and honest. Follow due process in life. Keep sacred things sacred. There is no shortcut in life. Whatever you do can make or mar you.
Come to think of it, I actually need this money. It will help me. My poor mother.
I wish you good luck.
I'm sorry, please. Slept with my husband. How could you? How could you?
Just stop it already. I am not your enemy, and I'm definitely not the lazy one who refused to give the throne an heir. You should be grateful to me and let that sink.
Who can tell me what is going on? Tell me the cause of what we have been through. Can tell me what to do to bring back dignity and royalty in place. afraid. Who can tell me what is going on? Tell me the.
How could you do this to me? How? I trusted you!
The same way he trusted you to give him an heir to no avail because you failed woefully.
How dare you talk to me like that? Have you got nuts? Are you insane?
Do not hit me again. I am holding myself from hitting you back. I told you I am not the enemy. You are your own enemy.
You know what? You are leaving my house this minute.
Story.
Wait for me. Right now, you are leaving my house.
I'm waiting. Get out! I ain't going nowhere! Get out!
Hey, what is going on here?
Your Majesty, she just slapped me and she's asking me to leave the palace!
I will slap you.
Quiet!
Get out!
Quiet! And who is she to tell you that?
Ask her, Your Majesty.
Why do you want her out of the palace?
My king, her services are no longer required in this palace. Let her leave
You
my
stop!
house. Get out!
You are the one who will soon leave your bedroom for her.
Excuse me?
Heard me.
She's leaving this house this minute.
Stop that! Stop that!
Yes.
Take her things back into the house.
What?
Before I get angry with you. Take them back. Now!
My king.
Now! I am not going to repeat myself. Right behind you. Inside.
What is written is written. Ini Edo. Kingship is a divine appointment. You can never turn down the will of God. Though it may delay, but must surely come to stay. Be careful what you do.
I will do it.
It's
Too late. I mean, I already told Ego would be taking wine to her people this weekend.
What?
Heard me.
Your Majesty, we are back.
Good. I hope you enjoyed yourselves.
Of course, my goodness. I can't believe what I've been missing all this while. Prince Obina is such an incredible man.
You're just finding out? Well, I was just telling her that we will be taking wine to your people this weekend.
Oh, really? My goodness, that is so delightful. I promise you, Your Highness, I am going to fill this whole palace with lots and lots of children.
I trust you. You will be the next Lord of this kingdom.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Sweet angel.
I have taken care of you since the very first day I brought you into this palace. Why would you join the world to make mockery of me.
I am not making mockery of anyone.
I will never wish to see you in the shoe you have laced for me. It is well. I forgive you. I will forgive you even at the point of my death. Thank you.
Well, so I consider it done. That's why I'm a king. Oh, distinctive. Really? I'll call you back. What is this?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but my heart has failed me, and I do not want to die untimely. I'm sorry.
Sorry. I am so sorry. The king deceived me. And I swear on my life, your husband did not even touch me. He made me sleep on the floor. I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me. My lady, please forgive me. I beg you. I beg you.
I have forgiven you. I will not allow this to happen again. We fight this. I've made up my mind to do it.
Are you alright? Come on, talk to me. What happened? Can you please excuse us?
Yes, my prince.
It's okay. Did you fight with anyone? See, listen. If it is about giving me a male child, you have to stop it. Okay? I know we are fertile. And a child will come at the right time. And when it comes, my father will present me to the people as the next king. Okay? Babe? Babe? Come on. Open the door. When you are done, you will come out and tell me what happened. I'm waiting. Where are you going to? Get out! Come on, out!
Sacred calabash. Oh, my ancestors are angry with me for my action.
A black moon? Gods of our land. What abomination may have been committed in this kingdom? May this evil not bring an omen that will devour us. May what we don't know or what we don't wish to know come knocking on our doors. Tufiakwa.
Ogini neme onye ga-agwa m onye ga-agwa m ogini neme onye ga-agwa m onye ga-agwa m ogini neme onye ga-agwa m onye ga-agwa m ogini neme.
What is going on? Babe. Are you still on this? Do you want to kill yourself? Please, whatever it is, just let it go. You know I don't like to see you moody like this. Please, whatever it is that is putting you in this condition, please let it go.
Greetings, my prince. My lady, food is ready. Oh, Should I serve it here?
Get the food here.
Yes, my prince. So, she finally succumbed to it. Well, I'll reconcile with God soon enough. I will. My lady, my prince.
Keep it here. You can go now.
Yes, my prince.
Your food is here. Come on, eat your food. What sort of nonsense is this? What are you going to call this? What is wrong with you? Father, you have to come and talk to Adora. She's been crying all night, and now she refused to eat.
Let her be.
Let her be? I told you that she's been crying all night, and now she refused to eat. And you want me to let her be?
Yes, she's not ready to tell you why she's crying. Then let her be.
Father, please. Help me talk to her, please.
Keep sacred things sacred. There is no shortcut in life. Whatever you do can make or mar you. Whatever that has to do with life, whatever that can take or give life. Be careful, handle with respect.
What did she say that is wrong with her?
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. Why is she doing this to me?
One thing you must learn when you become king is endurance. Go sit with her, if possible. Make her feel like a woman. That should solve it.
Do you want anything else?
No.
More meat, more rice, wine, whatever? What do you want? Good. Bon appetit.
Why didn't you tell me Akata was here?
Sorry, Ernest.
Leave this place.
Akata, you came unannounced. To what do I owe this visit?
What have you done, Igwe Kala?
I know I am going to die. So whatever I have done does not bother me.
Let your words live with you.
My dear, why did you opt for this kind of place? You know it doesn't befit my status.
Yeah, I know. I just want us away from praying eyes. Besides, there's nothing wrong with this place. I like it. Hey, can you stop it?
Stop what?
I'm with Obina, not the prince. Just tell me what I want to hear and I will say yes.
I know. You know, we have had good times in the past, and I don't think you deserve to be a second wife.
Do I look like someone that cares if she gets married to you as a third wife? Just say it and I will say yes.
Belly.
Yes.
Seriously.
Say it. Say it.
We need to talk.
What is it?
I am pregnant.
You are pregnant? Wow. This is good news. We need to celebrate this. Oh, yeah. Wow, I love this. Nice. Wow, come on. Come on, we need to celebrate this. Where do we go now? Come. This is good news. Come on.
Calm down.
What?
The baby.
What happened to my baby? Huh?
Your Highness, I have tried all I could, but the baby refused to cry.
My prince, is the baby alright?
Is it a baby girl?
The doctor will not allow me to see the child yet.
Maybe it is because of the gender of the baby.
Please, let us not dwell on this gender thing. A child is a child.
At the end of this all, we will have no one to present to the people as next king.
Your Highness, I'll be on my way.
Doctor, you still haven't told us the gender of the baby.
Oh, don't mind me. A baby girl should have cried.
Baby girl?
Oh, no. Your Highness, what I'm saying in essence is that a baby girl should have cried louder than a baby boy. Congratulations, it's a baby boy. Drinks! This is a good one. My friend! This is a good one.
Yes.
We are going to drink till daybreak. You have my permission. Igwe, we are going to finish everything. At least nobody will curse us. They will not call us drunkards for drinking to the arrival of our future king.
Exactly.
Oh yes. As I'm going to deal with this one now, I'm going back to that one, and I know I will finish that one too. But that boy doesn't look like Obi now. Oh, didn't you observe it?
Does he look like your grandfather?
Ask him. Is your grandfather as handsome as that baby? You just open your mouth and talk on here. Ta 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 ta.
Is anything wrong in asking questions?
Yes. What stupid question is that? Igwe, don't mind him. Killjoy. Please, let's drink. Let's drink. Oh.
Hey! Stop right there.
He's taking the baby away!
Where are you taking my son to?
Your son? How can you claim to be a father of a child that does not belong to you?
Let me have him. Let me have my son. Let me have my son. Bring him to me.
My prince. My prince.
Huh?
Are you alright?
Baby.
Your baby.
My baby.
What is it?
My baby. Someone is taking him away.
My love. Our baby is fine. He's sleeping.
I had a dream.
It is just a dream. Our baby is fine. Come to bed. Come on. Our baby is fine. He's sleeping, okay? Sleep.
What was it you wanted to ask me?
It's about my son.
Is he alright?
Yes, he is. But he doesn't look like us. Father, you see, he has a big head, big nose, small ear, hairless.
Oh, come on. Sometimes a child does not look like anyone until he gets to a certain age.
I saw a man in my dream. He was taking the baby away, and he even...
we should not be talking about that now. What we should be speaking about is your Father Festival and how to present you before the people during that festival.
Father, I'm ready anytime.
Good.
As I was saying, I saw a man in my dream, and he was taking the baby away.
In whose dream?
In my dream.
It was only a dream?
Kingship is a divine appointment. You can never turn down the will of God. Though it may delay, but must surely come to stay. Be careful what you do. Maka na bukwa Chinemeze. Isi gabweze ya gabuo.
My love, you're here. You hardly stay in my room since the birth of our baby. Is everything alright?
I do not want to talk. I need to be left alone.
My love, whatever the problem is, I love you. You are my king.
Father, the annual blood for blood sacrifice will be next week.
Oh, I have that in mind.
And we need to name the child before that.
You call your son the child? That is unheard of.
I'm sorry, Father.
Better be. Now, do you have any name in mind for him?
No, Father.
You don't have any name in mind? Up till this moment?
Father, to be honest with you, I'm unable to bond with him. I've tried so much to do that, but it's very difficult for me. I can't even hold him in my arms for a long time.
Well, it's okay. I'll give him a name. We will call him Obonnaya.
Obonnaya?
Yes.
One of these represents your father.
And the other two represent my son and I.
Your son? Has he the blood of your fathers flowing in his vein?
I don't understand.
I hope you do. A hawk can never live in a nest meant for the human bird.
Please calm down, so I could understand you.
That child in the palace.
What about him?
He is a strange frog in a familiar pond.
I still don't understand you.
Have you asked your father questions?
What questions?
How old is your son?
A few weeks old. You know, the last time I was here, you said...
Oh, go home. I will send for you.
I do not want to experience another loss. This was exactly what happened before my brother died.
I said, go home. I will send for you.
I will not go anywhere until you tell me what I need to know.
Go home and ask your father to unfold what he has tied and bound.
What do I need to know, please?
Go home.
Why is it that whenever I come here, I leave with bad news?
You came with bad news. You go with bad news.
Ogini na-eme onye ga-agwa m onye ga-agwa m ogini na-eme.
What do I need to know?
What you need to know?
Dikeh keeps saying some strange things about the child.
on, son. I have told you to stop referring to your son as the child.
I'm sorry, Father.
Did the Dibia say he won't make the sacrifice?
No.
Then go back and finish it.
He said he will send for me.
And I am telling you as your father and as your king to go back.
Can't we leave it for tomorrow?
You are too stubborn. And that was why you dropped out of secondary school.
Do you have to remind me that all the time?
Leave my presence. I just said leave my presence.
My father, the king.
Want us to proceed?
Yes.
Lift the cocks. Proceed.
I am here on behalf of my father, King Igwekala, for his annual blood for blood sacrifice. These 3 cocks represent my father, myself, and my son, Obonaya. This is the bad news.
It is not my making.
We can try once more. I have other 3 cocks in my car.
Been true.
I am here on behalf of my father, King Igwekala, for his annual blood for blood sacrifice. These 3 cocks represent my father, myself, and my son, Obonaya.
Don't even ask for another chance because it is impossible.
Who can tell me what is going on? Tell me the cause of what we have been through. Who can tell me what to do to bring back dignity and royalty in place? Who can tell me what is going on? Tell me the cause of what we have been through. Who can tell me what to do?
Ask your father what he is hiding from you. If he doesn't tell you, it will kill you.
can tell me what to do to bring.
I can see what is going on in the palace. I want to be the next king of Isiala until Obinna has a male child that is his flesh and blood.
How did you know this?
The young man who got Adara pregnant is my boy. He was once my driver.
Ibesim, you cannot force me to put my hands into a burning coal. I cannot do what you are asking me to do.
Yes. Imechage, you must do it.
Who are you to talk to me that way? Who are you?
You slept with the wife of the blacksmith and killed him, claiming it was the guards who killed him for sleeping with another man's wife.
How did you know?
Do you want us to discuss it at the Council of Elders meeting?
Ibesim, you are evil.
All I want you to do is to make the young man Obinna have countless sacrifices until he loses his senses.